Hello there, it's John here again, and today we're going to Tonquin Beach, just outside of Tofino. It's a beautiful little beach. I'm actually filming this in my yard because somehow or another I lost the introduction. So here it is. Welcome to the video. Thanks very much for joining me again, and I look forward to showing you this one. It's a beauty. Let's get going. All right, well, I just stopped here at Outside Break. It's a little strip mall area. Got some cool stores in here. Cafe and bakery. Tofino. There's lots of little gift stores and all kinds of stuff here. And we got go, chocolate Tofino. You know that's going to be all right. I'll film, then I will eat. Oh, look at the gelatos flavors too. Just in case. Oh, here's your selection of chocolates. Oh my goodness, Bear Claw. You know I'm getting one of those. Cool, a taco shop. You gotta like that. Lots of places to sit outside, have some to eat. And there is the Live to Surf store. You can book rentals, lessons, all kinds of good stuff there. Over here is the Tofino Bike Company if you want to rent yourself a bike to cruise around. That's pretty good. And I'm just heading back here because there is some food trucks, or a food truck. And here is the spot. This is Tofino. You can tell it's awesome by how many people are here. All right, what else do we got here? Keep in mind, like Tofino is obviously awesome because, I mean, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. It's not even dinner, so there you go. Tofino. All right, well, here we are, just up from the parking lot. Make sure you don't try and come down to this parking lot with an RV or anything, because it's a bit of a tight parking spot. We'll go down here and take a look. Kind of a neat trail in here. Lots of cedars. Really pretty. Look how tall the soleil is. Gee. Kind of a forest grove going through here. All right, look at this. Stairs down. So if you're a mobility person, this is probably not your beach. A little more complicated. We're getting close. getting very, very close. All right, well, there is the first sight of Tonquin Park. Really pretty. Look at the beach out there. People having fun. Excuse me. Okay. These boardwalks are sure nice though. Wow. This is really nice. Really beautiful place. Steps down. We're coming close. Okay, well, here is the big reveal. Wow, look at that. Ooh. It's a bit of a drop down. All right, well, here we are down on the beach. And I cut through this rocky stuff here. Just beautiful. Okay, well, let's have a look at what we got here. I just saw a little seal jump under. Another day, another beach. Look at that. This is pretty neat. Really pretty. Holy cats. There's a loon out there doing a little fishing. See that guy there? All right. Okay, well, I had my camera off for a second, and I just saw a dolphin. Perfect timing there. Just looking to see if I can spot them again. Well, I'll film here for a little bit. I might have to edit it down a bit, but with any luck, holy moly, that'd be nice. Oh, where are you, buddy? Well, suffice it to say there was one. Alright, well, we made it to the other end of the beach here. Might as well take a look around the rocks. I haven't spotted my friend again. Oh well, can't win them all, I guess. Nice spot to hang out. All right, well, there you go. That's Tonquin Beach here in Tofino. What a beautiful spot. Look at that. Just amazing. Terrific spot to come down for the afternoon. Apparently this is one of the best spots to watch the sunset in Tofino as well. So if you're down here around sunset, it's supposed to be just spectacular. Like you can see just out over there, over all of the islands, and just beautiful, beautiful water. Well, thanks so much for coming with me again. I sure do appreciate it. We'll see you again in the next video. I'm looking forward to it.